Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I am fixing to go on a ride today, and I have right here the brand new MSR Gravex gloves from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. These things look awesome. I actually already put them on my hand, so I know that they feel real good. Now, for a while, I have been using the MSR LaSalle gloves, and these are both adventure gloves. The difference is these are the waterproof gloves, and these are the warm weather gloves. And these are awesome gloves. I've been wearing them every single ride, even in the rain, which they're not, for rain, but they do good, really good, especially here in Arizona in the heat. So Rocky Mountain ATV MC offered to send me these. I'm not getting paid anything. I'm just doing a video for them. So these are premium gloves. They are full goatskin leather, CE level 2 knuckle guards right here. And they're loaded with D3 armor. It has D3 armor pretty much all over. So go ahead and stick this on. They feel really good. They actually feel insulated. So they ought to actually be good, because the last ride we went on, it not only got wet, we got cold. So yeah, the fit is real good. I do like that they have the stitching here on the outside, and you might see the stitching here. Of course, it stands out really well, but that's so you don't have that stitching on the inside. You don't want anything that's stitched on the inside. You're going to be uncomfortable with it, especially with the bending and the fingers and the stitching bothering with your fingers. Well, this will be nice like that. Also, one thing I noticed right off the bat is that it flexes real good. So as far as that's a full fist right there, which on a motorcycle, because you're on the grip, you're not going to be full locked fist. So they flex really, really good. One other cool feature is when you're putting them on, they got this big pull loop, just like the LaSalle gloves. And man, I love that feature on the LaSalle gloves, because you can pull them on. I always tear gloves. I'm bad about pulling them on. My gloves are tearing apart. These things are hooked good, and it's a real solid loop right there. So the XL, to me, fit real good. They actually fit a little better starting out than my LaSalle gloves did. So one cool thing about Rocky Mountain ATV MC is they do have their guaranteed fit. So the first time, if you get them and they do not fit, they will pay shipping both ways to replace the gloves with the right size. As long as you keep them, you just tried them on, they don't fit, they're still in brand new condition, send them back. They'll pay for shipping both ways the first time. Another cool feature about these two is they do have on the index finger and the thumb, they do have the touch for your touch screen, which I do use touchscreen on my phone, GPS. So as I said, they are 100% waterproof, and they have the HydroCheck liner on the inside. So you're not going to have to worry about getting wet at all. They do have the hook and loop as far as fastening, so you can fasten them loose or tight around your wrist, whichever way you like it. And of course, in the rain, I'm sure you'd want it pulled down pretty snug like that. So they do have some reflectivity right here for added safety. You see MSR right there, reflective. And again, I said this is a CE level 2 knuckle protector, and we do have the D3O armor underneath that. So right here on the finger, we have some stretch panels right here, and it makes them bend really easy. So it's not going to be any problem at all as far as if you're a one finger clutch person or two finger clutch and brake. Either way, they flex really good. And of course, here on the fingers, this is D3O armor right here that you have. And then on the palm, of course, we have full goatskin leather. And the goatskin leather is really nice. I've used the other ones in the rain, like I say. They still work really good. It's not shrunk up on me or nothing like that. They actually are better the more I wear them. They fit better. And then right here in the heel of the hand, we also have D3O armor padding right there. So as I said, I am actually going to take these out and ride with these today. I want to actually just break them in, which they feel like they're already broke in, even though I haven't worn them. These actually didn't feel that way as much as the Gravex, but we're going to take this out and try them out today. Now, if you want something really ventilated for adventure riding, these are really ventilated. The LaSalle gloves, awesome, awesome gloves. And then, of course, if you want something waterproof, then you're going to go with the Gravex glove. These are super cool. Now, as far as colors, they're available in the gray and black like this, or you can get them in the all black. Either way, I kind of like the gray. I like the looks of the gray, especially with my gear that I wear. So I went with the gray, but they do look good, feel good. And as I said, we're fixing to go try these out today, and I'm going to let you know how they are. Okay, guys, so I've been out here riding today with these Gravex gloves. and so far really good. And this is, of course, I'm not out in the rain. I just wanted to wear them today for the video, try to, you know, try them out, see how they fit. They fit and feel real good. It is supposed to be about 80 today, I think, but they don't feel too bad. Now, they're probably not what you'd want to wear in hot weather. You'd want to wear more like the MSR LaSalle gloves, and I like wearing them. Them work really good. The ones I showed earlier on the video here, super good. But these are good to have in there if it goes raining. I can throw these on, super good. And they definitely work good for 1 finger, 2 finger clutch and brake. They fit good around the handle grip. Now, my hands are a little sweaty, and that's because, you know, 80 degrees and you got on gloves that are made for rain, you're going to definitely have that problem. But all in all, really good. Okay guys, so I will post a link in the description where you can check these gloves out, and if you use that link, it takes you to my Rocky Mountain ATV MC landing page, and you scroll down, you can see the gear, see the gloves on there. But super good gloves. If you have these and the LaSalle gloves, you're pretty much covered for rain or for hot weather. But thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.